Okay, so these are the examples. I'm going to go over examples because it's examples. We're going to do examples. Um, what is the vertex of this equation? So it's already in vertex form, which is great, which makes it very simple. Just right back at this previous slide. So you can just get your vertex by taking this number here. Oh my God, sorry. Dude, is my pen okay? Oh my God, I'm done. I did it on the wrong side. Okay, so you're just gonna take these two numbers. You also have to switch the sign of this number, and then you can get your vertex. That's because it's very easy because it's already in vertex form. So here, this will give our x, but we have to switch it. There you go, -4. And our y is just gonna be this number, which is 3. And then, because I failed to record it here, I put it into Desmos, and yeah, that's correct. The vertex is right here. Okay, let's do another problem. Find the vertex of this. So this is in standard form, and we're going to use this equation right here to, oh my God. This equation right here to find our x-coordinates. So once again, the equation is -b over 2a. Here, actually, I want to write that over here. Wait, oh, I'm on the wrong problem. Oh my God. This problem, sorry. Okay, what is our b? Our b is this number here, which is -2. So this becomes -2. A is just 1. 2 times 1. -2 is 2. And then 2 times 1 is 2. 2 over 2, that's just division. You can also just know it's 1. So that's our x. So this is our x. And what do we do with our x? We put our x back into our equation to get the y. So I'm going to rewrite the equation. Replace all the x's with 1, because we're plugging in 1. Yeah, why did I write my 7 like that? Okay, 1 squared is 1 minus 2 plus 7. This is 6. And this is our y. So the vertex is this. We have found the vertex. Next thing, is it a minimum or a maximum? So that, we actually don't need to look at this. You look at the equation. So if it was something like, if the parabola looks something like this, then the vertex would be a minimum. If it looks something like this, the vertex would be a maximum. What does it look like? You have to look over here. This is positive, so it's going to go like this. So that means it's a minimum. The parabola looks like this, which means it's at the bottom, which is a minimum. So it's a minimum. Next one, convert to vertex form. Oh, this is the same problem. We already found the vertex, which is like the first step. Second step, you just point out what's your A is, this is your A, this is your H, this is your K. So, and the formula looked like this. So plugging everything in, our A is 1, our H is also 1, and then our K is 6. And actually, yeah, you don't actually want to write this one. So you erase that. You don't use a pen and then you erase that because you're multiplying by 1, which is meaningless. Well, it's just the same as not having it there at all. Wow, my handwriting is really bad. This is a K. Okay, convert to standard form. So this is the one you're just gonna keep distributing, keep combining like terms. That squared there basically means it's this. It's just going to be x times x plus 4 times x plus 4. And then you distribute. So I'm going to, you do all this. Oh man, I'm lazy. I don't want to show all that. It's, okay, this is what you get once you distribute and combine like terms. It's 8x plus 16 plus 3. And then we have to distribute again. We have to do bop, bop, bop. 2x squared plus 16x plus, it's then going to be 32. And then there's also the plus 3. So combine like terms. I'm skipping steps. My hand is tired because I've done this lecture twice. Just keep distributing, keep combining like terms. I'll do the second one more in depth. These two of them. Okay, convert to vertex form. This one's more fun for me. You're going to use this equation to get your x. This is b. This is a. So it's negative 6 over 2 times 3, which is negative 6 over 6, which is division negative 1. When you're dividing a negative thing and a positive thing, it's negative. Okay, so this is our x. And then to find our y, you have to plug it back in. Oh my god, my hand is gonna explode. Okay, so yeah, we're plugging the x back in to find our y coordinate. Over here, this is negative 1 squared, which is 1, then times 3, which is 3. This is 6 times negative 1, which is negative 6. And plus 2, this is negative 1. This is our y. So we have our x and our y. So our vertex is negative 1, negative 1. They're both negative 1. Okay, but this is just the vertex. We don't have it in vertex form yet. So that's when you point out your A, your H, and your K, and then you plug those in to that equation, which I'm not going to write again. I'm swear I'm not like, I'm just, so it was like, so in the equation it's x minus h. H is negative 1, so there's going to be 2 negatives, which makes it positive. Boom. And that's our answer. That's in vertex form. Okay, this one, okay, I promised I'll do it for real. And my hand is gonna hate me, but I'll do it. I don't want to like take a break and then have to edit it out. Okay, so squaring means multiplying by itself, so I'm gonna have 2 of these. Then I'm gonna distribute. So we're gonna distribute these 2 things together. The x minus 2 and the x minus 2. So we leave the 5 for now. And you do x times x. We want everything in parentheses. X squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. And then we then go to this. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. And then negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Close the parentheses, then we have this thing out there still. And now we multiply this whole thing by 5. Or actually, we want to combine like terms. Oh man, am I really going to write all this? Fine. So combining like terms here, negative 2x is negative 4x. Okay, and now we want to distribute again. So 5 times x squared is 5x squared. 5 times negative 4x is negative 20x. 5 times 4 is 20. And now the parentheses are gone, and now we have this minus 6 out here. And we have to combine like terms one more time. This 20 and this 6 is going to get us to 5x squared minus 20x plus 14. And we also want to put the y equals in the front. Wow, that's here. That's this is a y equals, and that's a 14. This is a negative 20x. My hands are so tired. Okay, good luck with your math.